Okay. So we were talking about linking Google Ads account to GA4 property,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And getting the data from the ads. Detailed
Mm-hmm.
marketing campaign data. Where
Marketing.
can you manage the product links in one with Google Ads? I don't know. I think it's the configure section, but I'm not sure.
Admin section.
Okay,
In the
show me.
admin, in the bottom.
Okay, let's look.
Go
Let's
to,
look at that.
okay, go to GA4. Admin
Admin.
on the yes, on the left side at the on the bottom. Now scroll down and Google Ad links under product links. Yes.
Okay. So this is where
Okay.
I can manage the link
Just
between.
you have to add the link, Google Ad link.
Right. Got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next question.
You created a new path exploration in Explore to gain insight into the top pages that new users open after opening your homepage. You're interested in sharing your findings with your colleague. By default, who can see the exploration you just created?
Only you can see the first
No,
one.
don't tell. Oh, wait, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Every question, let me answer first and think about it.
Okay.
It's A. We already had this question before.
Yes. In the exam, you may face this question, and some changes will be there, maybe in the sentence or in the options.
I'm sorry, repeat that again. I couldn't hear you.
In the real exam, you may have the same question, just changes in the sentences or in the options. Okay.
Got it. Okay.
So you create a report to show types of devices users have coming from the 30 days, whatever. Mobile phone metrics. Okay, you can metrics. What is the metrics?
You create a report to show the types of devices users have been coming from over the past 30 days, whether they were on computers, mobile phones, for example. In this report, which of these is a metric in Google Analytics? The device types, desktops and mobile phones, the date range settings for the last 30 days, how many users were on mobile phones, where users came from before reaching your website. I think it's this one.
Yes, this is the metric. Okay, next.
All right. If you wanted to see the steps in the users take to reach a key task or conversion, Which exploration technique would you use to visualize those steps and see how well they are, excuse me, succeeding or failing at each step? All right, so if you wanted to see the steps your users take to reach a key task or conversion, which exploration technique would you use to visualize those steps and see how well they are succeeding or failing at each step? If you want to see the steps your users take to reach a key task or conversion, if you want to see the steps your users take to reach a key task or conversion, which exploration technique would you use to visualize those steps and see how well they're succeeding and failing at each step? You would look at the funnel exploration.
Yes, panel exploration, and this allows you to see the steps a
Yeah,
user takes on your website,
right.
like from page visit, then add to cart, then checkout, then purchase.
Oh, right.
Okay, then next, which Google Analytics learning?
Which Google Analytics feature uses machine learning to measure conversions that aren't directly observable? Which analytics feature uses machine learning to measure conversions that aren't directly observable? Machine learning to measure conversion that aren't directly observable. Machine learning to measure conversions that aren't directly observable conversion winner. Conversion modeling?
Yes, conversion modeling.
Can you show me this in Google Analytics?
Yes, go to your Google Analytics, advertisement,
Huh?
advertisement on the left side.
Okay.
Yes, this attribution model. Attribution models. Yes, this one. But this section is more advanced. Okay. This is the models. This their AI.
Where you're basically trying to figure out
You
how
have
much did
to
each of the clicks, first click versus last click, like how
better.
much did each of those activities play a role in someone making a leading to a conversion, right?
Yes, and also you can see the credits, and also you can see data driven. This is also AI attributes the credits
Mm,
to different channels.
right. Okay.
Okay, next.
You're asked to set up data stream in accordance with setting up Google Analytics. What is a data stream?
Data stream, how you collect the data, the means like website, apps. Okay, we discussed it before.
I think it's this one, right?
Mm, One,
Hello?
yeah, yes, yes, this one.
Okay.
Data stream leaves. Yes, this one.
Your
Next
business
is
has a your business has a website and an app for both iOS and Android. If you want to analyze events and users together across three, what would your account setup look like? I think it would be C, right? One property with web stream data and two app data streams as well. One for iOS and one for Android, but all under one property.
yes, all under one property. Can you show me in GA4? No, no, not here. In the admin panel. Yeah, on admin.
This is admin. What admin are you talking about?
At the top. The first statement.
Huh?
Scroll up, please.
Scroll up on what? Oh, right here.
Mm, yes, yes. Then on the right side, yeah, streams.
So
You
this
have
is
to
one
click.
property, which is my website. This is property right
Yes,
here.
you
And
can
underneath
see.
that, there's my website, which
Yes,
is
now
red.
you can add another stream here.
Right.
Okay. Then next.
Mm.
In which situation could you present
In
this?
which of these situations could you use the engagement overview report in Google Analytics? Engagement overview report. Maybe the third one, but
Now monitoring is
as it's
live.
happening, I don't know if the overview report would show you as it's happening. This looks like it's going to be under the real-time report.
Yes.
Maybe if, I don't know
See,
if that's the answer, but if that's not the answer, then it would probably be this one.
yes, we can take the last one.
This D.
Yes, because you can see which pages. Okay, engagement mostly deals with pages.
Mm, makes sense.
Okay, so this should be the right answer.
Okay.
Okay, the next,
Are you sure you know the right answers, by the way?
sorry,
Or are you 100% certain about all these answers, or are you teaching me the wrong answer for some of them?
no,
You're
I
100%
don't.
sure these are all the correct answers, right?
And yes, maybe one, two, or three wrong answer, maybe. Okay,
Okay.
but I will check again. No, no issue. Before your exam,
Okay.
and I will try to include all the questions so that you can um, get all of them.
Okay.
Okay, next. But honestly speaking, no one can give you the 100% accurate answer. This is never possible. Okay.
Where do these questions come from? Where did you get this from?
These are available in different websites. Okay, like you appeared for 10 times and collected
Yeah,
the all the questions. Okay, then you
got it.
published, then we can take from them. Okay, next question. In which okay, you manage your website and consider certain events as a special available, like when users sign up in newsletter process. How should you label these events in Xcode? Okay, this is known to you. The next question.
Oh, yeah, I'm reading. Hold on. You manage a website and consider certain events especially valuable. Like when users sign up for your newsletter or make a purchase, you want to designate these events as important and assign them a value. How should you label these events in your Google Analytics for property? Goals, conversions, custom events, recommended events. I think these would be conversion events.
Yes, the main event. Conversion
Correct?
event or yes, or main event. Okay, next.
You know what? Hold on one second.
Uh,
What is this gonna get me? What is Google Analytics 4 usually written as in job descriptions? GA4 or Google Analytics 4? They spell it out.
the short is GA4. Labio.
Shit, wow. Why is it pulling up these job titles that don't have that in the title? I put it in quotes. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
In quotes,
You
it's
can
supposed
type
to only show me job titles that have that keyword in the title.
digital marketing.
100 to 130. Google Analytics engineer. Digital marketing domain consultant and analyst.
Ah, 10 to 15 years of experience.
Why would a software engineer need to know Google Analytics? Let's see. This is not even relevant. Anyway, okay. So there's not really that much demand, it seems like. for Google Analytics. Why is that? It's such a big tool. Is it just very easy to use or something?
No, not easy.
Then why is the demand so low?
Maybe this is very new tool.
You think Google Analytics is a new tool? No, man. There's no way Google Analytics is a new tool. What are you talking about?
Then why no? But to me, there is lots of demand in the marketplace, like Upwork, Fiverr.
Okay, well, demand for you is different for demand for me. I'm going for jobs that would pay me at the minimum 150K that are willing to pay that kind of money. Are they looking for this skill is my question.
Mm-hmm.
Those big companies, are they looking for this? If so, then, I know there's demand, but it doesn't seem like it. I don't really see it much. But anyway, it's just something I have to know because a lot of companies do use this Google Analytics, I guess. And it can't hurt to have it since it's not that difficult to earn it.
Okay, brother.
How many more we have left? Let's finish these out. Next few. Do you have time?
What time? But I got a message. Just let me check.
Huh?
I got a message from a client.
You have to leave?
Just let me check, please.
Okay.
Okay, brother. We can join again tomorrow, maybe, if you have time.
Okay. Or if you
Tomorrow.
have time at night, just message me. When you come online, just message me and always ask me, hey, are you free right now?
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Okay, man. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.